Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Fareoh and we are back with another video. So alright guys, this is a small paper plane. We all flew this plane. So today we will make a plane with paper that actually much bigger than this plane. So the height of the plane will be about 10 feet. I don't know the plane will fly or not. So your job guys, please like and subscribe to our channel. So let's make the plane.
Alright guys, so we made the plane. So now I will take the plane to the field, then I will try to fly the plane. So let's go.
So alright guys, we came to the field. You can see. So we are going to fly this plane. Now you can see we will fly this thing again, but another way. So let's see. I don't tell you guys anything. Just see what happens. Alright guys, I don't know why this plane is not flying. So let's try again. Today's video was very funny. Hope you guys enjoyed too. If you guys have fun in this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel. So this is God of Experiment. My name is Fareoh and I will get in the next video. So tata, bye bye.